Because of the deadly mass shooting in Uvalde, the community has called on Texas officials to restrict access to assault rifles. However, the governor of Texas says age restrictions on guns are not constitutional. Paul Spade checks that claim for PolitiFact.
Can states block young adults from buying assault rifles? That's what some members of the Uvalde community want to see happen in the wake of the tragedy there. But Texas Governor Greg Abbott, he claims that's not legally possible. Take a look.
There have been 3 court rulings since May that have made it clear that it is unconstitutional to ban someone between the ages of 18 and 20 from being able to buy an AR. That came out of the Federal Court of Appeals, and then there was a Supreme Court decision that was in line that would have upheld it, and then after that, or most recently, a federal court in the state of Texas struck down the Texas law.
A federal judge ruled in August that Texas couldn't prohibit young adults from carrying handguns, and that's obviously different from laws on assault rifles. Abbott also mentioned a California court ruling that did block an age restriction on semi-automatic rifles. But since Abbott spoke, it's been remanded, so that case isn't resolved yet. And in another federal court, a judge upheld a Florida law blocking people under 21 from buying semi-automatics. So this issue is not settled, contrary to what Abbott suggested there. That Supreme Court case he mentioned was about New York's concealed carry law and whether applicants needed to show proper cause to get a license. In fact, the court acknowledged in its opinion that the right secured by the Second Amendment is not unlimited and people can't just carry any weapon anywhere for any purpose, as you can see here. The Supreme Court hasn't actually weighed in yet on whether age limits are constitutional. And that's why the Truth and Meter rates Abbott's claim mostly false. Read our full story at WRAL.com.